So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a Gantt chart overlay in Microsoft Planner. So from here you will need to go to your tasks or your plans and you will need to create it for your own plan. So let's open up one of the plans that I have. So you can see here it's called like this. You can see the grid view. So it's something like that. You can see the timeline. And this will be maybe the best way to showcase Gantt. You can also see charts, people, goals, and some other stuff as well. So the most usual way that a planner chart is presented is through the board way. You can also go through grid. So you can see something like this, but the timeline may be the most efficient way to actually replicate the Gantt chart. Since there isn't a true way to do this, you can filter out some of the stuff on here in order to see a true Gantt chart, or you can use third-party apps like PPM Express or Power BI. And you can see it right here. So PPM Express, you can use a strategic project portfolio management software. So you can use it through here. You can even see here Microsoft App Source, PPM Express. Maybe the best way to connect it is through here. It says help your teams manage projects intelligently and more effectively with that. So from there, you can integrate it into your Microsoft Planner and you can get a better Gantt chart look and overlay. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Microsoft Planner or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.